If you've noticed that your codex compacts its context at 256,000 tokens or so, that's because 1 million is not the default, despite it being advertised that GPT 5.6 Sol does have a million context window. But here Thibault finally posted how to actually get your codex to use the million token context window. And the first thing we need to do is open this config file. We'll just use vim. So we'll do vim. We already have the model set to GPT 5.6 Sol, and we don't see the other options that he listed. So all we do is press I for the interactive mode, so we could add the other options, and then paste these two things: model context window and model auto compact token limit. And auto compact token limit is a bit smaller than the max context window because you want to give your agent a little bit of headroom so it would actually be able to compact whatever you were doing instead of it running into the context window limit and not doing anything at all. So we'll press escape to escape the interactive mode, then we press the colon to be able to run the save commands, and then WQ and enter to actually save. So I'll quit it. Now we can type codex in the terminal. It says, do you trust the context? Sure. And then we type /status. It does show 100% left of 1 million.